guys and welcome to my channel Mariam Marie. And I'm so sorry for my appearance. I look really crusty right now. That is because I just woke up around 15 minutes ago. It's like 9 o'clock ish and I'm really sleepy. I'm still sleepy right now. So today I decided to do like a little bit of a self-care pamper routine. So I have a lot of stuff planned out today. Okay, you guys, so I just finished having my breakfast and I had just a banana, and now I decided to work out. I just finished the workout, as you can see, and now it's time for a hair mask. I don't know if you could see how greasy and crusty my hair looks like, and this is the Mama Earth onion hair mask. This hair mask. So guys, the hair mask is all applied, and now I'm going to just take a bath and then meet you afterwards. Okay, so you guys, now I'm going to just wait until my hair air dries because I don't want to apply any heat on my hair today at least. So I don't know what exactly to do now, but the fact that I pretty much finished a lot of stuff today, it's pretty good. So for my skincare, more skincare, I feel that I want to do like a face mask or something. I really want to do that, and I am confused between two options. First one is like a face mask, the clay one, and the second one is a sheet mask. I don't know what I'm going to do, so let's see. Also, my hair has almost like dried pretty good. Okay guys, and welcome back to my filming space. So yeah guys, now I decided to ultimately do this Himalaya face pack. I'm so sorry if there are raining sounds outside, but it is distracting me a lot because it's such a pleasant climate outside, and plus I'm doing this self-care relaxing kind of thing, so this is making it more fun. So now I'm gonna just switch on my Spotify. I'm gonna listen to some songs and we are gonna apply the face mask again. Okay guys, so I know I look like this, but I have applied the mask and now I'm just going to show you how the climate looks like outside now. Isn't it amazing? So now I'm just going to be listening to music and just enjoying the weather out here while this thing dries off my face, and then I'm gonna come right back. So I don't know if I'm in focus or not. I hope so I am. So while I'm enjoying the rain, and I know I look like a mess, okay? I have put on my glasses on. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. I don't know why that happened to me, but it did. Also, I don't think I should be recorded while looking like that. But I decided to paint my nails while looking at this weather, which my camera did not capture. And this is the nail polish that I used. Of course, I did just... You just hear the clouds, and my nails are not in the best shape right now. This is actually because, my nail broke. It's really cute, so I'm going to like do it on my other nail as well, and just enjoy this weather. I'm really enjoying the self-care day. Hope you're also like having a little bit of fun with me, because I love watching these self-care things. So yeah, also we are having a little chit chat session. Maybe I'm gonna do like a get ready with me, because I'm planning to go out after literally like 4 months. I'm going out. If I would have not done this video, probably my day would have been gone in watching YouTube videos and stuff. Okay guys, so it's been like a hot minute now, and as you can see, this is like all dried up, and my nails are also looking pretty good. So these are how my nails are looking, and the climate is like, oh my god. So let's rinse it off. Okay you guys, so this is how my skin is feeling after the entire face mask. Now just to spend some time with myself, the last thing that I've planned after all of this is just playing some music on and studying for a little while. I know it doesn't sound that pleasing, but I really want to like study a little. So I'm going to just sit beside the window, or maybe here somewhere. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. It's 5 o'clock right now, and the weather has quite cleared, and the lighting also looks pretty good. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming the video. We did a lot of things. We did our hair, we did our skin, also painted our nails, and moreover enjoyed this amazing monsoon weather. If you want, you can please share the video to as many people you know, so that our family can grow. And I'll meet you very soon. So bye bye.